Hello my friends, welcome back to the Soupier. So today I want to ask you guys a question, get your feedback, you can comment below. What is one thing, one modification that you did on your camper, on your, RV, camper van, Prius Life, whatever you call your modded out vehicle that you decide to camp in? What's one modification that you were like, oh, this is a really good idea? And then you did the modification and then later on you're like, oh, this is probably not a good idea, or I really messed this up, or this was kind of stupid. For me, it was kind of stupid. I thought I wouldn't be able to access my jack, or my jack and my jack lever and my tire iron because I thought my shelf would get into the way, and I thought I had enough space down by my spare tire to put everything. Come to find out, I got rid of the actual mount itself. So yeah, I don't have that no more, and I actually zip tied my jack back in place, but I have to put my tire iron and my jack lever back inside my spare tire. So that was one modification where I was kind of like, it might be a good idea, but now I kind of regret doing it. Let me know what you guys think below. Thank you so much for your awesomeness and for subscribing to my channel. Thank you.